How-to hard reset. Redmi 14C, Step 1. To begin, power off your smartphone by pressing the power key and the volume up button together. Step 2. Press and hold the power button along with the volume up key simultaneously. Step 3. When the Redmi logo appears, release the power button but continue to hold the volume up key.